Hi, Allie Borealis here. I'm prepping for an estate sale in Mission Viejo, California. Now, I don't want to call this a hoarder house, but there's a lot of stuff in here. It's pretty dense. So we're just in the process of taking the first few weeks. Phase one is doing a walkthrough and an overall assessment of where to begin. I'm going to walk you through the house so you can see what the interiors look like, and I'm going to keep you posted on the date of the estate sale. I hope to see you there. It's going to be sometime in August. We're starting at the front door. Now, the family has come through and cleared out a bit of what has been here, so it's certainly not as dense as other estate sales I've done. I'm loving this really large sectional, and patterned sofas are making a comeback right now. Now, we found a total of 3 beehives in this back patio area. Not 1, not 2, but 3. We're having them humanely relocated, so we're not killing off any of the hives. There's a lot in the garage to go through, and I'm most curious about these boxes, especially that yellow one on the end that looks really vintage. One thing we'll do with all the furniture in the house is check to see if there are any brand names we can find. Now, I didn't show you this bedroom to the right as we walk up the stairs because some of the families still had some things in there, but it does have a relatively new complete bedroom set that will be in the sale. Then we have this gorgeous mid-century modern nightstand, and we have another matching one here in this bedroom. I've already pulled all of the jewelry out of this jewelry cabinet, and I'm in the process of going through it all. And boy, is there a lot of jewelry. I found 18K, 14K, 10K, a lot of sterling pieces, including J. King, Mexico sterling, Native American sterling, and a whole lot of vintage costume as well, which will all be for sale at the in-person estate sale. I found these 3 necklaces and pendants hanging on a hanger in this closet the first time I went through it. 2 are sterling with gold overlay, and the third one is 14 karat. So whether you're attending an estate sale or prepping to host your own estate sale, always go through the closets item by item. Sometimes I'll find brooches on shirts or sweaters. I'll find money in coat pockets. It's definitely an area you don't want to overlook. That's pretty. As far as the family said, this lady used to own a dress shop many moons ago, so she has a lot of Terry Lewis brand suede. Some of the pieces are really stylish and have come back around. There's also a beautiful Terry Lewis cape that's in suede as well. I'll put a little insert here of what it looks like. And most of the Terry Lewis pieces are new with original tags. What's next for me? I am headed out tomorrow to go thrifting the Oregon coast with Laura Caldwell. I'm so excited. And when I return, you'll have more videos on prepping for this estate sale, and I'll show you what I found in this bowl. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.